you ready to transform your emotional well-being and embrace a life of peace and clarity?
Introducing the Inner Calm Workshop by Devi Sundar, a science-backed and holistic approach to mindfulness and emotional balance. Devi Sundar is a holistic breath and mind consultant, respiratory physio, integrative psychotherapist, neuroscience, coach, hypnotherapist, and fellow of higher education. She brings a wealth of expertise to help you connect deeply with your mind, and in this workshop, Devi combined neuroscience, psycho-neuroimmunology, and holistic wellness to empower you with actionable tools for transformation.
In this workshop, you'll discover how to understand the mind-body connect, including how emotional states influence physical health, conquer stress using breathing regulation and rhythm-based strategies, master self-awareness with the IWAVE model, connecting deeply with and memory processes, build emotional balance through SAPP's, practical techniques for resilience, embrace mindfulness with SAPP's science-backed tools to enhance focus and clarity. You'll also gain CPD accreditation to enhance your professional skills, a handbook of proven neuroscience-based strategies to transform your emotional well-being. Discover your inner calm. The Inner Calm Workshop will take place at the Isbourne, 2 Wolseley Terrace, Cheltenham, on 15th February 2025. From 9:30 a.m. to 1. Reserve your spot now at www.bourne.org/. Your journey to inner calm starts here.